If you're looking for a place that blends arts, culture, dining, and entertainment all in one, Patchogue Village is the perfect spot to spend the day. The Patchogue Arts Council is where creativity is at the heart of the community.
If you're an artist on Long Island, we want to see your work. PAC has tons of opportunities for artists that have no barriers. Our work here at the Patchogue Arts Council welcomes artists from all over.
From vibrant murals throughout the village to year-round events and programming, the Arts Council plays a huge role in shaping Patchogue's identity as a thriving arts destination. Just down the street, the historic Patchogue Theatre for Performing Arts continues that creative energy, hosting concerts, comedy, live performances, and community events in a beautifully restored venue that's become a cornerstone of the village.
So the building itself is 103 years old. It's been operating as the Patchogue Theatre since 1998. I think when you come here, you feel a sense of community, and I think that's what the Patchogue Theatre means to all of those in the community that come here and for our staff.
And that's what makes Patchogue so special, whether you're stopping into the Spice and Tea Exchange for a warm cup of tea, or heading to RUMBA for a tropical escape of island-inspired dishes, handcrafted rum cocktails, and the new Après Rooftop Lounge create a laid-back, vacation-like vibe. And of course, no visit is complete without checking out local favorites like Blue Point Brewery and Taproom, both go-to spots for craft beer and a lively atmosphere. End the day at Ruta Oaxaca Mexican Cuisine, where they bring vibrant flavors, rich traditions, and warm hospitality of Oaxaca, Mexico, right to the South Shore. With everything from art and entertainment to food and flavor, Patchogue Village truly has it all. For Discover Long Island, I'm Brianna McEnroe.